Alesia. Alesia.
¿Quién es la que lo quiere?
No, que mamá. Jaja. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Welcome back to my channel. So I have a bunch of orders that need to go out today. They're done and ready to go. So today's video is more going to be how I pack my orders for Etsy. So I have to grab a couple of things because my mom's currently working on TUTU'S, so I can't use this area to pack orders. So I'm gonna grab. Say hi. Alesia, can you say hi?
Say hi, mamá. Say hi.
Lo está haciendo con la otra mano, pero no la puedes ver.
Es con esta, mi amor, mira. Say hi. Hi, mamá. Voy a tomar la leche. Ya.
These. And I'm gonna grab a couple of these. And I'm gonna grab a bunch of these. And I need a couple of
Está sucio, ¿qué es esto? Mira, he hecho un boche aquí arriba. No nos dimos ni cuenta. Esto hay que jugar con ella porque tú sabes que se resbala con esto. Que hice prendiendo poquito a poco a ver si se me quitan toda esos sucios.
I know.
Comiendo. Pero eso es normal, ¿no? Muchas niñas hacen esto. Esto no es nada de que preocupar.
So I have to cut the tender touch for all of these shirts before I can iron them and put the names. So I'm just gonna set that up first. I need to grab some of these also. This is tender touch. This is what you put behind the shirt so that it's soft and the kid doesn't feel the hard thread inside the shirt. So what I do is I buy the big bulk of this as well. This is also on the pricier side. I think the bolt of 25 yards cost me, yeah, 25 yards cost me somewhere around $70 or $80. It might be inflated just because of everything that's going on, because this bolt was really hard for me to find. And tender touch just in general is more expensive. So I'm gonna measure out how much I need as far as width. 5 inches. I need about 5 inches, so I'm gonna cut about 5 inches worth. So I cut the tender touch into long strips. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the strip over the shirt and cut exact. This makes it so I save the tender touch so that I'm not wasting and cutting it too big. Okay, so now I put all of the tender touch. Now I'm gonna put all of the names of all of the shirts, which are here. See where I put the camera. Dámelo, papel. So I'm gonna look for the shirt depending on, this is a size 3T with a number 2. Find it here in the orders that are done. Size 3T with the number 2. Silvi.
Quiero preparar todo en la cocina ahorita para hacerlo para hacer un video.
Sí. Tú vas a ver cuántos views vas a coger.
Sí, voy a empezar a hacer. No, es que tenemos tantas cosas.
Okay, so I have all of the shirts ready to go. I have the clipboard of orders that match these, and then I have all of my packing stuff, and I have the little cards that I put in. These are the cards that I put inside of the package. I put this one and this one. This one, I'm gonna put the care instructions here, and so then this is how the shirt comes packaged. Fold it. Yeah, and then it's our first one. And I'm gonna put it to the side with the paper. I always keep a lint roller handy, just in case there's any string or anything. I want the shirt to get to them really clean, so. And shirt sticks, let me tell you. I'm trying to hurry up because the mail comes pretty soon, so. Okay, so I'm filming on my phone because my battery died on my camera, so I'm sorry if the quality is not the best. I just really have to get these orders packed and out today. Okay, so these are all the shirts packaged and ready to go. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12. We have 13 shirts that we're shipping out. These are the Frozen shirts. One Tinkerbell shirt, Minnie Mouse, and then the Mickey, which is our top seller. Well, it's actually running competition with our Frozen. I don't know which one is the top seller. So I'm gonna pack them inside of these. Boys get this poly bag, and then girls get that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So I have both of my clipboards here. I have my clipboard with the packing slips and my clipboard with the labels. So I'm gonna get started with these. You guys know I love my clipboards. This makes everything so organized for us. I also use these do not bend stickers. I love putting them on there so that they don't bend the shirt. And usually USPS does a really good job at not bending them when I put these. Aside from the fact that I make it more difficult to bend these because I put this inside of the poly bag. You get these for free with USPS. I love putting this inside of here because it makes it more sturdy and more protected. That way the shirt doesn't bend around. Usually when the embroidery bends, it creates this like ugly dent, so I like to put this inside of the poly bag to make sure that nothing dents and they get it the same exact way that I packed it in the clear bag. Okay, so now I have everything packed and ready to go. This is what it looks like. This is everything. I think I might get out a few more orders. Just have to pack them. And then I'm gonna put it over here so that we can take it outside. It's been many days later. We have a crap ton of orders here that we're doing. I don't know, I look a hot mess and I'm stressed out, but we're gonna get through this. And our mailing person has been missing our pickups, so I have my window open right now so I can like watch them, and I just don't see them pass. It's like 6 o'clock and they're still not here. And the other day they didn't pick up, and at like 8:30 I got a notification saying pickup successful, but that was a lie. They did not pick up. So I had orders go late because of that, and I hate when orders go late because I love getting my orders out on time. So right now I think we have I think these are about like 25 orders that I have to fill that came in the last 2 days. So things are starting to pick back up. So we have a lot of stuff to do. I don't know how I'm gonna... So we have a couple samples here that I've been working on today. We have this one, and then we have this one. I touched it up a little bit on the system so that this kind of looks more even. I feel like this is like slightly off, but I can fix it. But I really like how this one turned out. I fixed it here so you can see how this is gonna look like. See how it's more centered, so I feel like that's gonna look better once the orders come in. Hi! Hi, honey. Hola, mi amor. Te voy a coger. Te voy a coger. Corre. 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 Alessia, can you say hi? Hi. Hi, good job, baby. Yay, yeah, that's how you do good job. So I'm still working on a couple other ones, but tell me what you guys think on these 2 new samples. I'm gonna be listing them soon. I just have to take the pictures. It's going to rain so bad. Just look at this. Oh my god. The mail person cannot get here fast enough. If you can see, my package is like right there. Right there. Let's see what comes first. The rain or the mailman? It looks, oh, that's too white. It looks like it's about to pour. So finally the mail just picked up. It is 6:46. So late. So I guess I'm just gonna end the video here. It seems that you guys have been liking these videos. If you guys are wondering what this is, it's just an earbud. Let us know if you guys have any questions or something that you guys might want to see. Oh, I also just did this shirt. Just did this one too. So if there's anything that you guys want to see next, oh my god, my hair is a mess. Just leave a comment down below in the video. I'm gonna try to post every Saturday, because on Saturdays it's probably the days that I can film the best. You're probably seeing this video like a week or 2 after I filmed it. So yeah, and if you also like this video, make sure to like it down below. Bye guys.